ജപനിലം.
Hi children, today we are going to learn our multiplication lesson. Third class, fourth lesson, multiplication. Do you know what is meant by multiplication? Multiplication is known as repeated addition. Repeated addition. See, for example, multiplication to build a multiplication tables, we can use repeated addition. How teacher? You can may ask like that. See here, for example, 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, you know like that. Okay, you forgot 5 threes are how much? Then you can do repeated addition. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 already yesterday we learned additions. 5 is in my mind, 5 is in my hand. 5 plus 5, 10. Again, we have to add one more 5 plus for 10. See, 10 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 1, 15. How many times we added here 5? 3 times. 5 3s are 15. Did you understand? Now if you see here, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. You can write 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Did you understand? By repeating addition also, we can build a multiplication tables. Now, how to build the multiplication by regrouping, we are going to learn. See here, I have a balloons. I made the balloons into bunches. See here, how many balloons are there in first one bunch? 4 and second bunch 2. Here I make into 2 bunches. I made into 2 bunches. In first bunch how many are there? 4. Second bunch 4. Now we can form the multiplication fact like this. How many groups are there? First we have to write groups. 2 groups of. In each group how many are there? 4 balloons. Now 2 groups of 4. 2 4s are 8. If you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can make 8 balloons. 2 4s are 8. Now like that only see, I have lollipops. 3 lollipops and 3 lollipops. Here how many groups are there? Here 3 groups. 3 groups of. In each group how many are there? 3. 3 groups of 3. How to write the multiplication fact? 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. See, by grouping, if you multiply a number, we will get a multiplication fact. This is called multiplication fact. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. These are called multiplication facts. See, in multiplication fact, for example, see here, 5 2s are. Say, all of you take your show your hands. See here, we have 2 hands. In 2 hands we have, in one hand 5 fingers, in another hand also we are having 5 fingers. Now 2 hands, in each hand 5. 2 5s are 10. This is called a multiplication fact. In this multiplication fact, first number is called multiplicand. What we have to call? Multiplicand. Second number is called multiplier. Now the result, 2 5s are 10. We got the 10 is the result. The result is called product. What we have to call the result? Product. In the multiplication fact, result is called product. In the multiplication fact, result is called product. To do multiplication, we need tables. Without tables, we can't do multiplication. In your book, he given the multiplication tables by grouping that. See here, all of you open your studio here, page number 87. In 87, he given the building blocks and groups of building blocks. By these groups, you have to form a 6 table. In page number 88, 7 table, and page number 89, 8 table, page number 90, 10 table you have to form. See here, for example, I will say first one, page number 88, 7 table. Here they given the books, 7 books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books they given. Now, how many groups are there here? Only one group. One group of 7. Now, 1 sevens are 7. Next, 2. 2 table, 2 sevens are how much? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how many groups are there? 2. 2 groups of 7. 2 groups of 7. 2 sevens are 14. You can count if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 sevens are 14. Like that you have to form a 7 table. Maybe you will get a doubt. Teacher, you teach for me 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. But here we are getting 1 sevens are 7. 2 sevens are 14. Is there any trick here? Yes. If you, in multiplication fact, if you change the order of the numbers also, we will get the same product. In multiplication fact, if you change the order of the numbers also, we will get the same number. For example, see here, 5 twos are 10. Here I am changing the order of the numbers. 2 fives. 2 fives also 10. 4 threes are 12. 3 fours also 12. Next, 7 fives are 35. 5 sevens also 35. Here what did you observe here? If you change the order of the numbers also, we will get the same product. Then you can write the table 1 sevens are 7 or 7 ones are 7, like that. If you write these two ways also correct only. Okay, you told for me 7 ones, we will write like that only. No problem, write like that only. Why? Because if you change the order of the numbers also, we will get the same product. Okay, in this class you have to learn 2 to 10 tables. Already we learned 2 to 10 tables in second class only. Try to learn 2 to 15 tables in this class. Okay, now how to do the multiplication? 2-digit numbers multiplication we are going to learn. Before that, I will teach for you properties of the multiplication. Properties means quick tips. Already I teach for you for addition and subtractions yesterday. You can see here what are the quick tips for multiplication. If you multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. 2 ones are 2, 10 ones are 10, 100 ones are 100. If you multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. For example, to here 276 into 1 is equal to 276 only. 544 into 1 is equal to 544 only. If you multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. Next one is, if you multiply any number with 0, we will get 0. Already I am saying for you from second class onwards. See, any number into 0, anything into 0 equal to 0. If you make friendship with zeros, you will also become a 0. How? See here, 5 is making friendship with 0, that's why it became a 0. Okay, that's why don't do friendships with zeros. Now see, 5 zeros are 0, 27 zeros are 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. And next one, this is the quick tip you have to learn. If you multiply any number with 10, see here, 7 tens are 70, already you know. Okay, 20 tens are how much, do you know? See, easy way I am going to teach. First you have to multiply the numbers, zeros, leave it, leave about zeros. Now 2 ones are 2. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2. We left 2 zeros, 2 zeros we have to write. Now 20 tens are 200. This is the quick tip. Learn properly again. 17 into 10. What is the answer? 17 ones are 17. Now how many zeros are there? 1 zero only, no? That's why you have to write that zero also side of that number. Now what is the number? 170. See here, 22 into 10. What is the answer? 220. By seeing only you can say. Why? Because 22 ones are 22. How many zeros are there? 1 zero only, no? 220. If you multiply any number with 100, now see here, 24 ones are 24. Here 2 zeros are there, no? 2 zeros we have to write. Now 2400. Okay, teacher, with 100, with 10, with 1000, no problem, teacher. If you want to multiply any number with 200, then what is the answer? For this also no need to do multiplication. By seeing only we can say. See here, 32 2s are 32 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 64 we have to write and 2 zeros we have to write. Now what is the answer? 3400. Now 500 into 200. How to write? First we have to multiply the numbers. We know the table. 5 2s are 10. How many zeros are there? Here 2, here 2. Now we have to write more 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. Now what is the answer? Like this we have to write 700 into 10. What is the answer? 7 ones are 7. How many zeros we should write? 3 zeros. Like that we have to do multiplication. These are the quick tips. If you know these quick tips, you can do multiplication easily. Before that, to do multiplications, we need tables. Without tables, we can't do multiplication. That's why you have to build a multiplication tables and every day you have to read the tables. Why? Because without tables, we can't do multiplications. Now see here, I am going to do multiplication 34 into 4. This is called the multiplication fact. Now first number is called multiplicand, second number is called multiplier. We have to find out the product. How to find out the product? First, as usual, we have to write the place values ones, tens. 34, ones place is 4, tens place is 3. Now with multiplier we have to multiply the given multiplicand. I will say simple way, with second number we have to multiply the first number. See, with 4 we have to multiply the 34. While we are doing multiplication, we have to start from ones place only. Now, ones place number is 4. With 4 we have to multiply the ones place number. 4 4s are how much? 16. In 16, how many digits are there? 2 digits. If you get 2 digits, we should not write 2 digits at a time. We have to cut the ones place number and write down. Okay. Now, with 4 we have to multiply the tens place number. Read 4 table until 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Here we got 12 and we left here 1. 12 plus, we have to add the 1 for 12. 12 plus 1, 13. You may ask me, teacher, in 13 we are having 2 digits. Then why you wrote directly down? Why? Because to add the number, we don't have hundreds place number. If hundreds place number is there, we have to write again this 2 digit number aside and cut the ones place number and write down. Should not write 2 numbers at a time down. Now answer is, now product is 136. What is the product now? 136. Now I am going to do another sum. See here, 25 into 6. 25 into 6. For this we have to find out the product. See, write place values ones, tens. Now arrange those numbers. 25 into 6. Now which table we need? To multiply these numbers we need 6 table. With 6 we have to multiply the given numbers. 6 5s are 30. In 30 how many digits are there? 2. That's why I wrote a side. Cut the ones place number and write down. 6 2s are 12. Here we left 3. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 I am writing down. Why? Because Here we don't have hundreds place number, that's why I am writing 2 digits down. Now what is the answer? 150. Like this we have to do multiplications. Now I am going to teach for you 3 digit multiplication. 134 into 2. What is the number? 134 into 2. Now we have to arrange those numbers in column method. 134 into 2. Here which table we need? 8 table. With 2 we have to multiply the given numbers. First we have to start from ones place. 2 fours are 8. In 8 we are having only one digit, that's why you have to write directly. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. Now what is the product of the number? 268. Okay, did you understand how to multiply the tables? If you learn these multiplications, you can complete your studio page number 104 4.10 activity. By quick tips you can complete page number 105 and 106 also you can complete. Now here they are introducing for you new method, lattice method. What is the new method for multiplications? Lattice method. Now how to do the lattice method we are going to learn. Lattice method. See here how to do the multiplications in lattice method. For example, 24 into 5. 24 into 5. Now we have to draw the columns and rows. See here. In 24, how many digits are there? 2. That's why we have to draw the 2 columns. In 5, how many digits we have? Only 1. That's why you have to draw only 1 row. Now for this we have to draw the diagonals. Write first square up 2. Second square up 4. Ones tens no? Yes. Right, we have to side of this 5. We are going to multiply with 5. Now 5 fours are 20. In 20 we are having 2 digits no? Up 2, down 0. Next 5 twos are 10. Up 1, down 0. Now we have to join the diagonals. First diagonal, second diagonal, third diagonal. Now write add the diagonal numbers. In first diagonal we have only 1. In second diagonal 2 plus 0, 2. Third diagonal we are having only 1. Now how to write the answer? Write the place values ones, tens, hundreds. While we are writing the answer, we have to start from ones place. Ones place number down to up we have to write. Ones place number is 0, tens place number is 2, hundreds place number is 1. Now answer is 130. If you want, you can do this sum in normal method also, we will get the same answer. 4 5s are 20, cut 0 and write down. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, in both methods we got the same answer. If you want, I will teach one more sum. Listen carefully. 73 into 3. Okay, 73 into 3. Now how to draw the lattice method table first. Here in multiplication how many digits we are having? 2. We are having 2 digits. That's why we have to draw 2 columns. Now in multiplier how many digits are there? Only 1. That's why you have to draw only 1 row. Now we have to draw the diagonals of this name boxes. Now write up tens place up 7, ones place up 3. And this side what is the multiplier? 3. We have to write side. With 3 we have to multiply as usual. 3 3s are 9. Here in 9 we are having only one digit. If you have only one digit number, you have to keep before that number 0, then it won't be change the value of the number. Now 0 up, down 9. Next 3 7s are 21. Now we have to join the diagonals 2, 1 0 and 9. See, first number is 2. In second diagonal what are those? 1 plus 0, 1. Last diagonal 9. Okay, 9. Now how to write the answer? Write the place values first. From place values from down to up we have to write always. Down number is at ones place. Next number is in tens place. Last number is in hundreds place. Now answer is 219. We will check the answer in normal method also, long multiplication method. Ones tens. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. Yes. Did you get the same answer? Yes. In these two methods we will get the same answers. Okay. In page number 101, 4.9 activity he is asking the lattice method multiplication. You have to do those. Okay. Next, number stories. Yesterday we learned number stories in addition and subtraction. Now we are going to learn number stories in multiplication also. Teacher, yesterday you given clue words. By those clue words we done number stories. Not yesterday. Yesterday means when we learn additions, then we learn some clue words for addition, we learn some clue words for subtraction also. Now, is there any clue words for multiplication? Maybe you will ask like that. See here, when we have to do multiplication, you know one thing value. You have to know more than one thing value, you have to do multiplication. When we have to do multiplication, we know only one thing value. We have to know more than one thing value, then we have to do multiplication. For example, you went to a vegetable market. There he told 1 kg potatoes 5 rupees. Your mother told for me buy 2 kgs of potatoes. We know 1 kg cost of the 1 kg potatoes. We have to know the cost of 2 kgs. That means more than 1 kg. No. Then we have to do multiplication. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 rupees. For example, cost of cost of one chocolate. Cost of the chocolate is 7 rupees. You want to buy 3 chocolates. Then you have to find out the cost of 3 chocolates. Then what you have to do? 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Did you understand when we have to do multiplication? If you know the one thing value, you have to know the more than one thing value, then we have to do multiplication. In addition chapter, we learn total is the clue word for addition. In multiplication number stories also, we will get total. For example, he will ask, cost of the 1 pen is 8 rupees. Find the cost of 8 total pens, he will ask. Teacher, total is there? No teacher, I will do addition. Maybe you will say like that. Yes, total means you have to do addition only. But here, you have to read the sum and you have to understand the sum. What he is giving. He given cost of the one thing value. We have to know cost of the more thing values. Then we have to do multiplication. Okay, all of you open page number 109, 4.15 activity. I am reading the sum. Listen carefully. Sita has a beautiful farm. She plants 5 rose bushes every day. Every day she is planting 5 rose bushes. Now, for a week, how many bushes will she have at the end of the week? For example, every day she is planting 5 rose plants. By the end of the week, how many she can plant? Every day she is planting 5. By the end of the week means how many days we are having? 7. By end of the day, end of the week, how many plants she can plant? For that what we have to do? 5 7s are 35. Otherwise 7 5s are 35. Why? Because we know how many plants she can plant for one day. We have to know how many plants she can plant for 7 days. Okay, now here we have to do multiplication. Okay, you have multiplication word problems in your companion 4G also. Complete that. Okay, now we are going to find out the estimated values. Estimated values. In additions, we learn the estimated values. Now see here, 23 into 3. For this, we have to find out the actual product and estimated product also. See, how to find the actual product and estimated. Actual product multiplication we can do. 23 into 3. Ones, tens. 3 threes are 9. 2 threes are 6. Actual amount is 69. Now we are going to find out the estimated value. If he did not ask any place value, we have to round off the highest place value. Here only we have ones, tens. Highest place value 10 only, no? That's why we have to find the nearest tens of the 23. Now where it will be 23? It will be middle of 20 and 30. Now which number we have to take? 20 or 30? For that we have to observe the ones place number. Ones place number is smaller than 5. That's why we have to take small number only. Now estimated product is 20 into 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6. Estimated product is 60. Did you understand this? Actual product is 69, estimated value is 60, estimated product is 60. Like that, you have to find out the actual products and estimated products. By this, you can complete your activity 4.15. I hope you understood this total lesson. By this video, you can complete your multiplication chapter. Okay, Nana, thank you.